How's it going, guys? This is David with JoesGE and Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the earbud mesh on Samsung IconX 2018. So you might be wondering, why would I need to replace my earbud mesh? So this is the mesh right here. Well, if you're experiencing a low volume on either side of the earbuds or both, then best bet is you're probably have clogged your mesh with earwax or whatever it could be. So go ahead and take out your earbuds, take off the ear tips, and here you can tell this mesh is disgusting. It has a lot of earwax all clogging this mesh, so we'll go ahead and replace this. So all you're gonna need to do is grab a flathead screwdriver like this one here and just pry up this just like this. This is a really nasty mesh. We're gonna get rid of this. So that's one. We're gonna do this same thing to the other one. Just like that. So now there's nothing here. I'll go ahead and use a cloth or something to clean the tip of the earbuds. Gonna want to get all that gunk out before attaching the new mesh. So go ahead and wipe that down with like a piece of cloth. Anything works. Alright, I also will go around the rim, remove any excess dirt or earwax that are possibly still in the way. So as you can tell, there's still a little bit of dirt. So once you get that all cleaned up, we can go ahead and install this new mesh. All you need to do is peel it up. It's a quick install, and just like that, you have the new mesh installed. Push it down with your finger. Let's do the same thing with the other one. Just like that. Push it down with the finger. So both of them are installed, new. The sound should be able to pass through now. Just go ahead and put your ear tips back on. Like this, and that's it. That's how you would replace IconX 2018 earbud mesh. So we do sell this on our website at JoesGE.com, also linked in the video below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Have a great day.